Have you opened ChatGPT lately and thought, wait, when did all of this happen? Because that was me. I've been away from the channel for 4 months, moving to a new city. And I stepped away from AI for a minute, and when I came back, everything had changed. It's not just a few small updates. The models are different, the tools are different, even the way it creates images feels like a massive leap forward. If you're a small business owner, a creative, or just someone who wants AI to actually do useful things in real life, this video is for you. Today we're cutting through the hype. I'm going to show you exactly what changed, why it's more powerful than ever, and how to use it without feeling overwhelmed. Well, let's get into it. The first thing that you'll notice is that choosing a model is finally simple. A few months ago, I needed a secret decoder ring just to figure out which version to use. Now, ChatGPT has cleaned up the whole experience for everyday humans. Instead of technical jargon, it's now about the job you need to do. You need speed? Well, there's a model for quick emails, summaries, and brainstorming. You need depth? There's a thoughtful model for complex projects and deep planning. It's no longer just a chatbot for trivia, it's actually a working tool. This is the biggest shift I've seen. ChatGPT is now a place where you actually get work done. Before, we used it for captions or quick questions. Now you can build an entire month-long content plan. You can structure a complex workshop or presentation. You can analyze massive files or search the web in real time. It's much better at taking a messy, half-formed idea and turning it into a clear structure. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, the new ChatGPT is your best collaborator. Now let's talk about images. If you tried AI image generation a few months ago and thought it was just okay, it's time to take another look. The image tools are now 1. More precise, they actually follow your instructions. 2. Iterative. You can edit and tweak specific parts of an image without starting over. For small business owners, this is a game changer, and for ad concepts and mood boards. For creatives, it's a legitimate tool for visual brainstorming. It's finally grown up. Things are moving fast, but remember, you are not behind. The goal isn't to master every single feature. The goal is to find the 1 or 2 things that help you work better. Here is what I want you to try first. Number 1, give it a real task. Don't ask it to write you a joke. Ask it to organize your messy notes or plan a project. Number 2, test the new images. See how well it handles specific design edits. Number 3, think bigger. Stop asking, what can it answer? And start asking, what can it help me to actually do? I was gone for 4 months, and ChatGPT didn't just get newer, it became more practical for more people. That's what figuring out AI is all about. Making sense of this tech without the jargon. And if you're new here, welcome. If I can figure this out, so can you. I'm glad to be back, and I'll see you in the next video.